Gautama Buddha is the main myth of enlightenment. See, so he represents, his existence represents the possibility of complete enlightenment. So we provide, kind of like we might imagine Jesus as a really loving, self-sacrificing person. He may or may not be. It doesn't matter. See, but that's usually the image that goes along with Jesus, right? And so when you consider Jesus, you're considering along those lines. When we consider Buddha, the main thing we're considering is the possibility of complete enlightenment. Total freedom from life and death. Grasping everything about what is. So he represents that. And so you keep him around as a reminder of that possibility. That's all. And once again, it doesn't have to be true. Maybe he wasn't completely enlightened. He seemed to influence a lot of people in his lifetime. So chances are he was extremely enlightened in any case. But it doesn't really matter. It's just that's the thing. It's the possibility of complete enlightenment. And that's why we keep him around. How's that?
Good.
Yeah. And we don't need to. See, but you notice that, like what? You're on a walk, right? And you see a little statue of Buddha, because I got them all over the place, right? See? And you see that. Doesn't it change you a little bit? See? Doesn't it kind of remind you? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So it's like little reminders to ask your question kind of deal. See? So stay in touch with that possibility and stay committed to it. See, and like I said, I've already said, he's not a god. Buddha himself, and the Buddhists tend to ignore this, said, I am not a god. I am a man. I'm just completely enlightened. See? Don't make me into that. And then they went ahead and did that. Right? Oh, Buddha. Oh, Buddha. Oh, fuck you. Oh, fuck you. And he did what he did. And it became what it became. He invented what he invented, So he had a crack at it. So whatever's true is up for grabs. Just like with Jesus, whatever's true is up for grabs. We do not know. That's why I say I'd really love to see a video of them. That'd be great. Because we'd have 1,000% more information by one video, one talk, just watch them. And I would love to see if his hair was really like that. Or if he shaved all the time. Come on, he's on the road. He can't shave all the time. Or did he have servants following him around, shaving him? Because that's a possibility. I understood he forsook. How do you forsake in the past tense? Is that forsook? Forsook? Anyway, he forsooked. Forsook. That's fun. We don't know. Okay, it's an English word. We have no idea. Forsook sunset. But anyway, his inheritance, his family, etc. His being a prince. And I consider that the possibility that because he did that, and that was likely the most coveted thing in the world at the time, for all the people that didn't have it. I mean, it's like life and death. He's a prince. He has everything he wants. He's got power. He's got wealth, etc. I can't even eat tonight. I'm freezing here. You see? Etc. And then he gave that up and became poorer than me? Kind of deal? So I imagine that turned a lot of heads. You see? Like, whoa. I'm just thinking out loud there. See, but we don't know. And maybe he had a beard. I mean, how did he fucking get shaved? See, nobody thinks about these profound questions. Did he have a razor? Did he use a clamshell? What did he do? I mean, come on.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years.
I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.